Welcome, hustlers! Are you ready to unlock the secrets of making money online fast? In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to reveal the most effective, real-world strategies that can help you start earning income from home today. From secret affiliate marketing hacks to the latest dropshipping trends, I'm covering it all. And remember, every minute counts when it comes to turning your passion into profit. Before we dive in, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest money-making strategies. Let's start by understanding the vast landscape of online opportunities. Whether you're into freelance writing, graphic design, or even managing social media, there are millions of ways to earn money online. Keywords like make money online fast and best online business ideas are trending because they resonate with those ready to take action. I'll show you how to leverage these high-demand niches for rapid success. If you're ready to turn your skills into cash, hit that subscribe button now. Every 2 minutes, we'll drop another key tip. Next up, freelancing and affiliate marketing, the powerhouse duo for online income. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Amazon Associates have transformed countless lives. Whether you're offering your creative talents or promoting products you love, the potential is endless. Remember, the secret is to focus on high-traffic keywords like earn money online and side hustle ideas to drive your audience and sales. Hit subscribe now if you haven't already. Let's keep the momentum going. Not every strategy needs a long-term commitment. Micro-tasks and online surveys are perfect if you're looking for fast cash with minimal investment. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Clickworker allow you to earn extra income with just a few clicks. Think of these as your online side gigs that add up quickly. Keywords like quick online money and make money online fast are exactly what you should search for when exploring these platforms. Enjoying these tips? Subscribe now so you don't miss out on the next game-changing idea. Let's talk about creating your own content empire. YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are not just for fun. They're serious money makers. By leveraging viral trends and optimizing your content with keywords like make money online fast and earn passive income online, you can build a loyal audience and monetize your passion. Focus on creating valuable content that solves a problem, and the views and revenue will follow. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're serious about success, this channel is your go-to resource. Ever thought about creating digital products? Ebooks, online courses, and webinars are booming. You can package your expertise and sell it online to an audience eager to learn. Keywords like online course creation and digital product business are trending because they represent low investment, high return opportunities. This is your chance to create a scalable income stream that works even when you sleep. Like what you're hearing? Hit subscribe now for more actionable insights. Next, let's unlock the power of email marketing and online branding. Building an email list is like having your own private audience, ready to receive your offers and content. Use tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit and focus on keywords like digital marketing strategies and email list building to enhance your reach. A strong brand presence online not only builds trust, but also significantly increases your earning potential. Remember to subscribe for more expert tips. Every 2 minutes, a new strategy awaits. Now that you have multiple streams of income, it's time to scale. Automation tools like Zapier and Hootsuite help you manage and grow your business effortlessly. The key is to create systems that work for you 24/7. Focus on scaling strategies that align with keywords like automate online income and scalable business ideas. They're your roadmap to long-term financial freedom. If you're serious about scaling your income, hit that subscribe button now. New strategies drop every 2 minutes. Let's get inspired by real-life success stories. From stay-at-home parents to college students, countless individuals are proving that you can make money online fast. I'm sharing case studies of entrepreneurs who started with just an idea and turned it into a thriving business. These stories emphasize keywords like online success stories and make money online fast, a reminder that you too can succeed with the right strategy. Love these success stories? Make sure to subscribe and join our community of go-getters. As we wrap up, here are a few bonus secrets. Focus on high-traffic niches. Continuously reinvest your profits and never stop learning. Your journey to making money online fast begins today, and every step you take is a step toward financial freedom. Use keywords like online income ideas and money-making strategies online as your compass in this digital world. Don't miss out on our next video. Subscribe now and share this video with anyone ready to transform their life. Thanks for watching. Remember, success online is not an overnight miracle. It's a journey. Stay persistent, stay curious, and keep hustling. Until next time, keep making money online fast and work smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.